Hello guys, so I will be showing you how I apply these lashes that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. These lashes did come in long, length, and also medium, and I purchased the medium length. The glue that I will be using is by INV. I ordered that off of Amazon, and I'm not sure if the Dollar Tree had individual lash glue. And right now I am blowing off the glue. I applied glue to a cardboard piece of paper. And right now I'm just brushing my eyelashes so that I can get them in line so that I can apply the lashes. All right, let's get started. As you can see, it took me quite some time to get this first eyelash on. Yeah, I don't know what was going on, but yeah, it took me a while to get it on there. And I was getting frustrated, but I don't know what was going on with it. But I finally got it. just showing you all the thickness and the length of the band. I think these lashes came out really, really good. What do y'all think? Comment below and tell me what you think about these lashes. Until next time, beauties. Bye-bye.